Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house, and please remember to like and subscribe. Alright? Yeah. Alright. Let's get down into the video. We're gonna make some breakfast or lunch recipe. We're gonna make some apple fritter French toast. Alright? I have one apple. So you wash it, right? And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it. I'm not gonna peel this today because I want the crunchiness. However, you can go ahead and peel it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out the inside. If you want, guys, you can use a knife and just cut them in thin strip, but I have my grater. I'm gonna shred it. So you're gonna get some thin strips like this. All right, add a little bit of butter, not too much, about a teaspoon. Now guys, I'm gonna pour in my apples. I'm gonna go in with about a tablespoon of brown sugar and about 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And we're just gonna caramelize this thing, alright? Can you see the goodness already, guys? It smells so good. And you want to turn down the stove so you can cook the apples at the same time. Alright, we're gonna just leave the apples to caramelize and cook soft, and then I'll come back. Now I'm gonna turn the stove off and let them cool down a little bit. Alright, look at the goodness. You can use any apple of your choice, alright? And you can cut them any ways. You can cut them in squares, in pieces, however you want. Just cut them up so they can cook. Now I'm gonna use 2 eggs. And guys, you know I like to take the whites, so I'm gonna take the whites out. I'm gonna sprinkle a little pinch of salt, not too much. Then I'm gonna go in with 2 tablespoons milk. I'm gonna add a pinch of cinnamon, not much, a little bit. That's good. And I'm just gonna beat this together. I have 4 slices of bread, and I'm just gonna take the edges off. Take your rolling pin and you're gonna roll it. We're gonna take some of the goodness here, not too much. Ooh, some of the goodness. We're gonna put it right here. And now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the egg wash, and I'm gonna line the sides. And what you want to do now, guys, you want to fold this or roll it, okay? Just like that. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter. And now guys, what you want to do, you just want to dip the bread in the egg, flip it over, and then I'm gonna put it in the oil or in the butter. And you're gonna let these brown up on both sides. All right guys, now you want to flip them over. When you know it brown up on both sides, you just want to make sure the egg is cooked. You can turn it on the sides. And let it be fully cooked. And that's it, guys. Another 30 seconds and then they're all done. And guys, let's take these bad boys out. I'm gonna add a few pieces of fresh apples. I have some cinnamon and some powdered sugar. I'm just gonna sprinkle it all over. You can go in with some table syrup, or you can add some honey. I'm gonna add some honey. And this is the goodness, guys, my apple fritter French toast. Ooh, with some fresh cut apples. You can have different kind of fresh fruits. It's up to you, guys. And this is it. This is a yummy, healthy breakfast. All right, guys, quick breakfast recipe or brunch. Love upon me and I love upon you. Look at that. And I use the honey instead of the table syrup. You can use whatever you want.